Up ahead. Enemy officer ready. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Gunners are ready to open fire. Takeoff helicopter and fly to bearing 160. Helicopter ready for orders. Gunners are ready to open fire. Ship and fly command. Enemy helicopter down. Copy it. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Fire on. We must get the ship ready as soon as possible. Take course 160. Half speed ahead. Missile silos are ready for launch. Firing torpedo noise 340. Prepare to destroy incoming torpedo. Engine standby. Take course 160. Full speed ahead. Whole crew is ready for fire. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Destroying physics. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Port side turn. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Open missile silo hatches. Heading 050. Half ahead. Turn left. 30 degrees. Moving right. Missile silos transfer target package Alpha Bravo 22. Prepare gun for firing. Heading 220.